Morecroft, and this is Letters and Numbers, where grammar rhymes with glamour, spelling is quite telling, and the right amount is paramount. And two people who have it all down, times table turner, Lily Serna.
Hi, Richard.
Did you use any sort of, rhymes to help you remember mathematical things?
Oh, not so much rhymes. We use for the order of operation BODMAS.
Actually, I remember that from, distant school days. So that's BODMAS. So brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction.
Yay, gold star. But I've needed kind of memory jogs for my spelling because I've never been the best speller in the world. And as a child, I always had difficulty spelling because, and I remember saying to myself, Betty eats cakes and Uncle sells eggs.
That is a great way of remembering because, David, I can't imagine that you have any difficulty remembering how to spell.
No, in fact, I do have a couple of blind spots, and one of them is a 5-letter word, weird.
That is weird.
It is weird. So I remember that we are weird, so it must start with W-E. But I remember when I was at primary school, we had a little mnemonic, a little memory trick for arithmetic, which is a rat in the house may eat the ice cream.
That is almost as good as because. In fact, they're both very good. King of words, David Astle.
Thank you.
And hoping to be tonight's Letters and Numbers King, our contestants, starting with our carryover champion, software developer, Anthony Kendall. Hello, Anthony.
Hi, Richard.
And welcome back again.
Thanks.
Now, you've been with us for quite a few nights, and you've started to show all sorts of patterns in the way you play. Give us an idea of why you make the choices you do.
Well, I guess with the letters, I just like to keep the consonants and vowels together.
And with the numbers, you're pretty consistent there too.
Yeah, I prefer, as you might have noticed, the 1 large and 5 small. It's just easier to sort of have it dictated which large number you're going to pick.
Well, it certainly works well for you, so let's hope it does tonight as well. Welcome back. And tonight's challenger is software programmer Michael Stone. Hello, Michael.
Hi, Richard.
It's Battle of Software people tonight as well.
Yes.
Now, Michael, you have, amongst your software skills, you also have an extraordinary talent for being able to recite the decimal version of 1/7 to, well, almost as many numbers as you like.
Yeah.
Can you demonstrate that for us?
Can. 0.142857, 142857, 142857.
Oh, no, I think that's enough. That's enough. But I detect that there may be just a little bit of a trick there.
Yeah, it repeats after 6 digits, so...
So this is a recurring number?
Yes.
So you actually just had to learn the 6 digits?
Yeah, it's not like pi, so...
Pi would be a lot harder, but that was pretty convincing.
Thank you.
Welcome tonight. So please welcome both of them, Anthony Kendall and Michael Stone. The first challenge will get underway with the letters game, and Anthony, can you choose first?
I'll go with the consonant, thanks.
Alrighty, let's start with R.
And another one.
T.
And another one.
C.
And one more.
H.
And we'll switch to vowels.
I.
And another.
E.
And another one.
A.
And one more.
U.
And we'll finish with the consonant, thanks.
And last letter, S.
First clock. First letters, Anthony. How many?
Just a 6 from that.
And Michael?
I'll try a 7.
Hold it for a moment. Your 6.
Riches.
And your 7.
Ratchets.
Ratchets. Could you spell it?
R-A-C-H-E-T-S.
I think we may have a missing letter there, David, but what does the dictionary say?
I had the same suspicion, but I should just check if it's an alternate spelling or, in fact, a word I've not heard of. Because ratchets, the tool, does have the T-R-A-T. And ratchets, I'm afraid, Michael, is not listed. So that takes us back to your word, Anthony.
Riches.
Riches are good for 6. Now, again, with the dictionary here beside me, it wasn't as brave as it may sound, but I did find a full Monty, Richard.
A full Monty, so soon in the night. Lovely work. What was it?
Now, the communion ceremony is called the Eucharist. It is usually with a capital letter. However, it can also be with a small e, which is a general word for Thanksgiving.
Very nice work indeed. So a 9-letter word to kick off the night from David, but a good 6 from Anthony. More letters straight away, and Michael, first chance to choose.
Can I have a consonant?
Sure. Let's start with R.
And another consonant?
N.
And a vowel?
E.
And a consonant?
F.
And another consonant?
T.
And a vowel?
I.
And another vowel?
O.
And a consonant?
B.
And finish with a vowel.
And last letter A.
Time to think. Michael, your first selection, how many did you get?
7.
And Anthony?
7 as well.
Let's start with yours, Anthony.
Fainter.
Yours, Michael?
Fainter as well.
Just verify if you would. Couple of fainters.
Not at all. It's actually a very audacious and resolute 7. Good play. Now, on this show, you will need to know the words goatee, beanie, paletot, pomade, and baritone, which is an 8, and it's come up before, and it will come up again.
All of those words have been frequent visitors, haven't they?
They have.
And we are very glad they have been, just as Anthony and Michael are very glad to have 7 each. As we head into our first numbers game for the night, Anthony, as we've said, very consistent choice of pattern. What would you like?
I better keep up appearances. I'll have 1 large and 5 small, thanks.
Thanks, Anthony. 1 large and 5 small. And our numbers 9, 2, 3, 5, 10, and the large 100. The target to reach is 592.
Thanks, Lily. 30 seconds to get there. Well, Anthony, you chose some fairly gentle numbers there. Did you get 592?
I did.
Well done. And Michael too?
Yes.
Okay, Anthony, tell us how.
Lily, 9 minus 3 is 6.
9 minus 3 is 6.
Times 100 is 600.
By 100 is 600.
Minus 10 is 590.
Minus 10
Plus 2 is 592.
plus 2 is 592.
So very nice. Nice direct route. And did you do it the same way,
I
Michael?
had the same method, yes.
Again, would you verify? Good method, good results.
Yeah.
Your method too?
I use the same method, yep.
Excellent work all round. So 10 points for Anthony and Michael in that round. So Michael is now on 17, Anthony on 23. We head for our first break, and that means your first word mix. It is mind loan. And this time the clue, a masculine stringed instrument. See you soon.